Do you know what the #1 challenge is of living in an RV or a tiny home or any small space? What do you think is the #1 challenge? If you guess storage, you're right. It's storage. You only have limited room, and, you know, no matter how minimalist we think we are, a lot of us still have stuff. So today I'm going to share with you my #1 biggest, favoritist, most favorite storage solution, because everything in a tiny space needs to have double duty. So I have a double duty storage solution that has another use, and I'm going to show you what it is today. Hey friendlies, I'm Carolyn. Welcome back to my life living in a 24-foot Class C RV. I have about 190 square feet of living space. So that means storage is pretty limited in here, and especially storage for things I use all the time, especially around the kitchen. You know, you've got pots and pans because I like to cook in a Class C RV. I have a stove, I have an oven, I have a refrigerator, I have a freezer. So, and like I said, I love to cook, and you guys have been following me for a while. You know, I have a cookbook coming out. So I love to cook, which means I have dishes and pots and pans and cupboards of food and staples and things like that. So especially around the kitchen, it can be a challenge to have enough storage and to be able to easily access the things I need to cook. So before I show you my very, very favorite storage solution, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. Check your subscriptions right now, because YouTube kind of unsubscribes people. I don't know, it's just kind of a weird thing, you know, like a weird bug. And also make sure you check your notifications so that you never miss a thing, especially live streams, because I tend to announce those last minute. And share my videos, like my videos, and leave a comment. And if you want more content, more behind the scenes and bloopers, you can click the join button below to become a channel member or join Patreon. So you ready to see my favorite storage solution for tiny living? Ta-da! That's it. Yeah, this is it. You're like, what? If you've seen these before, you know what it is. Look at that. So it opens up. So this is how it ships, which is really nice. It ships in a square box. And you open it up, and you have a box. So I have smaller versions of these inside my clothes cabinets, like set up like this so that I can put clothes inside and on top. And of course, this isn't the one that goes with it. I think this is a different size actually. You know, of course it's got this that goes inside, you know, to keep it so that it doesn't fold up. So I love this, but let me show you the rest. All right, I have to get in the shot here. Sadie has to get in the shot too. Can you sit? Can you sit so we can, oh, thank you so much. Can we show the viewers? Can we show them? Well, okay, can you lay down? Thank you. Look, she's like hiding. What I really like about this is that they are footstools. They're ottomans. So for me, because I did this remodel on my dinette set, I tore out the dinette and I did this L shape. For me, it just sits right in here, and you know, it's out of the way. And also, when I need to convert this back into a bed, I have one here, and I have one under here, underneath my table, and I can squish these together. I can put the cushion that used to be on the back of my seats back on top of it, and it turns back into a bed. But check it out. I store all my bowls in here. So all my, look at, so these, I love these. I bought these a while ago, and I absolutely love these. They're easy to clean. They come with lids. These are awesome. And by the way, I'm going to put links to both these storage containers and the bowls and anything else I happen to find that I want to show you in the video description below. They are Amazon affiliate links. They go through my Amazon store. Every time you shop through my store, I earn a little commission, and it doesn't cost you a thing. So it's a great way to help support my channel. So these, I swear, these are awesome. They're stainless steel, so they're super easy to clean. In fact, I'm thinking about getting another set. I need smaller bowls because I cook big. I don't need more. And they come with these great snap-on lids. So I know you're curious, what else is in there? So I just save whenever I buy stuff in plastic bowls, I wash them out and reuse them as much as I can. Same with anything I buy in a bottle, I save those. So I store all of that in here. Is my, what's in there? Are my grinders. I have an old spice grinder, which was my first coffee maker in there. I have my Ninja in there, and you know, just a bunch of other stuff. So I pull them out, I use them as footstools. So that's my favorite storage solution. Super easy. They're just, you know, these collapsible boxes, and when you're not using them, they're super easy to stow away, and they're multi-purpose, which I really love. Even if you haven't torn out your dinette set, you can stuff them underneath. I used to have shelves that I stuffed all the way against the wall in my dinette because nobody ever sat all the way against the wall. So you could even store them under there and then just pull them out when you want to use them for footstools or whatever. Hope you found that helpful. Just another RV living tip to help you, or tiny living, or, you know, even if you're short on space or you just want to buy a cool ottoman that has storage in it. Be sure to check the video description and a pinned comment for all of the links to these items in my Amazon store. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you next time. In the meantime, be happy, be free, and be kind. See you soon.